Welcome to Foodfinder multi-vendor food delivery app. For testing, download all 3 applications from Play Store and install it different mobile phone. Now create new account or login with demo with password. Also available guest login in customer application. Now select your current location. Now select multiple food category. Now you will see slider banner, popular category and popular restaurant and food item in your location restaurant. Also you can check it takeaway and delivery restaurant in Foodfinder customer app. Customer also can add it multiple address in Foodfinder customer app. You can also select your favorite food and restaurant in wish list. Now customer select any favorite restaurant and check it restaurant menu and food item. Also check it restaurant location on map. Now select food item and click cart button to cart section. Now you can also increase and decrease quantity for food item. Now click checkout button to checkout section. In checkout section customer will see 2 option takeaway or delivery food item. Also customer use it coupon in checkout section. Customer will see 2 type of payment method, cash on delivery and online payment. Now click to confirm button to place order successfully. Now install restaurant app and log in it by username and password. After customer place the order, restaurant owner get new alert notification for new order in restaurant application or restaurant web dashboard. Now restaurant owner check order details and change the order status pending to confirm. When restaurant owner change the order status pending to confirm, customer get new notification in customer application. Now customer also track her order in Google Map in customer application. Now download and install Delivery Boy application and log in by username and password. When restaurant owner change order status confirm to processing. Delivery boy get new order notification in Delivery Boy application. Now Delivery Boy check order details in Delivery Boy application. When Delivery Boy accept order, customer will get new notification in customer application Delivery Boy assign. Now customer will see Delivery Boy details and also customer will call to Delivery Boy. When food item is ready to delivery, restaurant owner change the order status ready to hand over in restaurant application. Now customer and Delivery Boy get new notification in customer and Delivery Boy application. When delivery boy reach the restaurant and pick up food order. Delivery boy change status order in delivery boy application. Customer will get new order notification in customer application. When delivery boy reach the customer delivery address. Delivery boy change the order status in delivery boy application. Whenever delivery boy change status in delivery boy application, a new pop-up open for verification code. Now delivery boy see delivery verification code in customer application and enter delivery boy application and verify. After that, order delivered successfully. After order deliver successfully. Customer also give rating to delivery boy and restaurant according to food and delivery services. Also customer check all order in order section. If customer facing any problem, customer also contact support to resolve problem.